Hi, we're Team 4. I'm Evelyn.
I'm Katie.
I'm Sia. So for the problem statement, our question was, how might we help undergraduate students better understand research in a way that is decreases anxiety, increases interest, and improves research readiness? And our three key topics that we did find was that complexity and accessibility of research, emotional and educational response to research, and engagement and application and learning. So simplifying research process is crucial for undergraduates, and then addressing anxiety is key, and also to enhance interest, focus on real world relevance, and also it's important to view for the staff so they can work in both in like an academic lens and also from perspective of students. So having that engagement is really important. And then for the stakeholder map, we did the undergraduate students. They had diverse challenges in accessing research opportunities, and graduate, which are more as mentors, faculty and staff that were basically informing students through different disciplines, and also administrators and research and employers. They offer direct research opportunities that may need to improve outreach, inclusivity for diverse student groups. And then for empathy maps, for observation, we did for activities. So we did like the labs, applying for positions, networking, and anxiety was a main pattern for environments. It was labs, networking sessions, and classrooms. And this was especially for students that are unfamiliar with this research process. And then for interactions, it was mainly between the students, faculty, and recruiters. And it was in informal settings and like career fairs and networking sessions. And then for objects, we did cover letters and resumes. And then users, we had a diverse group of students. So it was like first gen to undergraduates and graduate students. And then our basic key findings from the map was that it was a need for enhanced mentorship, improvement, and digital resource accessibility, inclusive and approachable networking opportunities, and confidence building initiatives.
Consolidating our empathy maps, we determined that factors like competitive environments and large student populations made students feel insignificant, making approaching the research application process feel stressful and intimidating. We also discovered that students felt an overall indifference toward paid research, with most of their focused on the quality of the research experience rather than the financial aspects. From our interviews, AEIOU, and empathy map exercises, we concluded with the following recommendations, which highlights that students need a supportive structure to find research opportunity to bolster their experience in their respective fields. Additionally, students need to feel more comfortable finding research opportunities on campus. They need a starting place to begin research, and they need to feel valued as learners. From our secondary research, we utilized the keywords undergraduate research experience, student outcomes, among others to narrow down our sources. We discovered that there was an importance in integrating undergraduate research into undergraduate curricula, as doing so could reduce anxiety, increase interest in STEM fields, and enhance readiness. Our research also revealed that changing student and faculty perspectives and giving student-guided mentorship can also increase student engagement with undergraduate research experience.
In our synthesis matrix, the key stakeholders are off-campus student, STEM student, and non-STEM student. The stakeholders need meaningful research opportunities, mentorship, and industry-specific experience. They want to prepare for their future academic and professional paths and discover their passions. However, they experience tough competition and have limited opportunities. They feel stress and anxiety due to the application process and feeling unqualified. Our updated problem statement is, how might we help undergraduate students gain knowledge and mentorship about research in a way that decreases anxiety, increases confidence, and better prepares them for future academic and professional aspirations? Undergraduate students are the individuals that we have identified as the various stakeholders, and the needs of the problem statement are to gain knowledge and mentorship about research because undergrads express these specific aspects they wanted to gain. Being better prepared for future academic and professional aspirations was a significant driver for them. They expressed a fear of rejection and a fear of not being knowledgeable enough, and they also expressed feelings of anxiety and stress. Lastly, significant takeaways are that students want to gain research experience to shape their academic and professional paths, and students feel stress and anxiety when seeking out research, and they also want mentorship. Important ideas to move forward with SPUR include how we should use methods that provide students with research readiness and research opportunities. We should focus on reducing feelings of anxiousness in students, and we should also utilize UREs to provide mentorship and valuable experience for students.